Think with the chance, find the difference. Hi everyone, welcome to watch our live show today. I'm Tony from The Chance. I'm in charge of business in Jordan and Saudi Arabia. First of all, let me make a brief presentation of our company. The Chance Group was incorporated in 2004, starting with and always focusing on R&D and manufacturing of Biolases. Biolases is an endogenous emulsifier and liver protector, which can improve the fat digestion and absorption, promote the secretion of bile, and protect the liver health of farming animals. In 2014, our product, Ronin Biolases, was granted by Ministry of Agriculture of China with new feed additive certificate, which means that in the following 5 years, the Chance Group will be the only legal manufacturer of Biolases in China. In the past few years, in China, Biolases have been used by most of major feed manufacturers and integrated companies, such as New Hope, Tongwei, both of which are on the top 10 feed manufacturers in the world. And we also export our product to more than 20 countries and areas, including USA, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Ecuador, Egypt, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore and Taiwan, etc. Today I will introduce the application of Biolases on poultry, on broiler specifically. We all know that in modern poultry industry, in broiler production, more oil is added in broiler feed to boost the growth performance of broilers to gain more body weight. But there is a problem that the insufficient digestion and absorption of fat may cause very low feed efficiency, which means a great loss on feed and a high production cost. Today, I'm so happy to have Dr. Sun, the Poultry Technical Director in The Chance, to explain more about how to improve the feed efficiency and how to reduce FCR in broiler production. We believe that the key is to promote fat digestion and absorption. By how? First of all, we should know what exactly about the process of fat utilization. The fat utilization consists of 3 steps. Step 1. Emulsify fats. The fat will be emulsified into very small droplets to increase the surface areas to make it available for digestion by lipids. Step 2. Activate lipids. The lipids will combine with micelles to finish hydrolyzation process. Step 3. Promote fat absorption. The fatty acids will combine with the bioacids to reach intestinal villus and then get into bloodstream, and the absorption of fat is finished. Bioacids can improve emulsification of fat, activate lipids, and finally combine with the fatty acid to finalize the whole process for digestion and absorption of the fat. Actually, the liver can secrete bile itself, which contains bioacids, but the bioacids is usually insufficient, especially in young animals. That is why we need add supplementary bioacids in feed to promote the digestion and absorption of fat, then improve feed efficiency and reduce FCR in broiler production. Today, I'm very happy to invite Dr. Sun, the Chance Poultry Technical Director, to join us to discuss on this topic. Hi, Doctor. Can you briefly talk about what Biolases can do to improve feed efficiency and reduce FCR? Thank you.
Biolases emulsify fat, activate lipids, and promote digestion of fat and fat-soluble nutrients. Biolases clear the toxins inside the body and improve the immunity of broilers. Biolases regulate the microbial flora balance of intestine and improve gut health of broilers. Biolases protect liver health and promote the utilization of nutrients. Biolases improve the anti-stress ability of broilers. By using biolases, the final body weight, FCR, carcass rate, and meat quality of broilers can be improved a lot.
Thank you, doctor. And now I want to show you more about this, and let's take a look at one trial on broiler. It can be learned from the results that FCR was reduced by 0.07, but the body weight was even increased by 30 grams each bird. This year, due to COVID-19, the prices of raw materials keep rising, and for feed manufacturers or broiler producers, how to reduce the feed costs has become an urgent issue. For feed manufacturers, their demand is to reduce the production cost by adjusting the feed formula, but not compromising the performance of the feed. For the broiler producers, they hope to get the same or even better results with less feed. Now, let's listen to Dr. Sun and what advices he has for this issue. Doctor, please say something about this question.
饲料原料成本占饲料成本的95%左右。饲料配方的调整方案对成本有极大的影响。针对肉禽配方，节约成本有以下几个方案，可供饲料企业参考：一、精准营养技术，根据养殖的品种、阶段、模式、密度、上市要求等，针对性的进行配方调整。二、原料替代技术，动植物性蛋白原料的替代，用一些杂粕代替常规动植物蛋白，如用葵花粕、DDGS、花生粕等代替原料中的肉骨粉、豆粕等。低蛋白日粮技术，饲料蛋白质营养水平降低0.5到1%，添加适量合成氨基酸来弥补氨基酸的所有功效，减少不必要的添加剂的添加，防止添加剂的重复添加。提高脂肪利用率技术，添加提高脂肪利用率方面的添加剂，降低配方成本，降低代谢能水平。比如添加胆汁酸可以提高脂肪的利用率，提高脂溶性维生素的利用，降低饲料成本。
Thank you, doctor. And now let's see the two customer cases on feed formula adjustment. Both of the two cases, the content of soy meal is reduced, part of which is replaced with cheaper protein sources. We all know that if the fat digestion is insufficient, the protein will be consumed as energy source. So we add bioacids to improve the utilization of fat and guarantee the protein is consumed in an effective way. At the same time, feed production cost is saved. And for the broiler producers, after adding the bioacids, the fat digestion absorption will be improved, and as a result, the feed intake will be reduced, so the feed cost will be reduced. Here is the trial results on broiler in Jordan. it can be seen that the feed intake of trial group is less than that of control group. After calculation, it can be known that for the same 1 ton of feed, more than 6 kg of broiler can be produced, which means $12 more benefits for our customer in Jordan. Today we are talking about the possible solution to reduce FCR but not compromising production performance. I really hope I provided some useful information to you. It's almost the time of today's live show. If you like our YouTube channel, please follow us right now. You will learn more about the poultry nutrition and our products. At the end of the live show today, here is a video for you to know more about our products. I'm Tony. Thanks for watching. Bye.
In modern breeding industry, fat or oil content become more and more high in feed formulation. However, it's a complicated process for fat digestion with 3 steps: emulsification, digestion, and absorption. Different with emulsifiers, biolases play an important role in the whole steps. Emulsification. Biolases have a special structure by which combine with hydrophilic elements and lipophilic elements. One of them can fix in water and another one will insert into the fat. Under this way, fat can be emulsified into little droplets, which will help enlarge the contact areas with lipase. Digestion. The suitable pH value for lipase is 8 to 9. But the pH value in the intestine is 6 to 7. Lipase doesn't work under this condition. The lipase can be activated by biolases. When they combine together, as biolases can open its cap and release the catalyzed elements. In the meanwhile, the structure of lipase is also changed, which can let fat droplets contact with catalytes. Under this way, fat would be hydrolyzed into fatty acids, glycerinum and monoglyceride. Absorption. Short-chain fatty acid would be absorbed directly, while long-chain fatty acid can only be absorbed after combining into chloramicron with biolases and a phospholipid. As one carrier, biolases can help fatty acids get through the identification system of intestine epithelial cell and then pass into bloodstream in order to finish the absorption process. At the same time, biolases will part from the compound and back into the liver through portal vein, then enter into intestine with the new secreted ones to finish its enterohepatic circulation. Under this circulation, recyclable biolases will promote bile secretion. A large amount of bile can wash out endotoxin and mycotoxin produced by using antibiotics and non-conventional feedstuffs. What's more, adding biolases can also effectively release the heavy burden of liver, thus play an important role in protecting the health of liver and gallbladder. As the most professional manufacturer in China, Lechon's Biolases has been approved as one new type feed additives, and it has earned good reputation from the clients in domestic and overseas. Biolases, one perfect solution for fatty acid nutrition.